Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this very easy, minimal look. I really just wanted something that's going to be really fresh and fun without being too much. And I really love the way that this turned out. I love the orange and yellow together. I love that I just look like I have a little pinch of something on my cheeks. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Good morning. So today we are just going to get ready. I'm going to take this Cover FX corrector in Peach, which is something I have been using pretty consistently. And then look at all this breakout, guys. I have some pimple fighting stuff. I'm going to blend that out. I have been breaking out a lot around my chin, and at first I'm like, it's hormonal, but I really think it's because of the mask, and I can't get rid of it. Like, it's just ongoing. So I'm pretty sure it's the mask. What are they calling it? Mask me? I got it. I know. I ended up getting Barcelona, and again, I still feel like that might be a little too light. But I went through my deluxe sample size and I missed it. I missed it like no other. And it just wears exceptionally well, especially on days where I'm super busy. I don't have to worry about looking at myself or seeing if I'm okay to jump on to the next meeting. I know it sounds silly, but when you're having to meet with people all the time through Zoom, I just like to know that I look decent, you know? So with this one, I know that it wears all day, that I never have to touch up. And more importantly, it wears so well under masks. Like, I don't have to worry about it moving. I feel like this shade looks better, maybe because I corrected around my mouth. My issue has always been that it looks lighter and ashy around my mouth, but not today. This foundation sets itself. I mean, honestly, guys, it's just so good. And the reason why I bit the bullet is because right now, if you are a Nars Pro member, you get an additional 10% off. That's what I was waiting for. And I'm glad that I did get it because it is a really good foundation. One of my friends wears the Cover FX foundation, and I would say that she and I are pretty much the same shade of foundation. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, and so anytime that she's looking for a foundation, I just match her to whatever I wear in the foundation. And we struggle with the same issue of falling in that neutral warm category and then not really ever having an exact match. So when it came time to renew or repurchase her Cover FX foundation, she told me that she, wasn't like super ecstatic with her match, and she wanted to see what other foundation shades would work with her. And I gave her my suggestions, but then I also said, hey, but there's this Nars foundation, blah, blah, blah. And sure enough, that's what she went with. And she's loving it. She was telling me that she really loves it and that it wore really well, and she was super excited. So I'm happy that it worked out. And guys, it's so good. Honestly, it is such a beautiful foundation. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury powder, and I'm going to use that under my eyes. And then also right on the top lid. And that's it. I'm not going to set the rest of my face because I don't have to with this foundation. So Refer came out with a holiday set, and I ended up getting it. I love their brushes, and I'm going to use this one to bronze. I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in 2. This is their holiday set, and they have a deal where you get $100 off the set right now. So I thought that was pretty cool. Especially because I think this guy is $100 without the discount. I'm going to take a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury 3. In case you guys are curious, the set comes with this brush, which is the 24. the 25, which is a large powder brush, and then this guy, which is the 23. It's their pencil brush, but this one is much smaller than the original. I got the Dior Backstage Copper Gold palette at the Sephora, with the Sephora Friends and Family sale, and we're going to use that today. I think I'm going to start off by mixing the two top shades. So this palette does have shimmer. It's very fine shimmer. And then I, like everyone else, had issues with this color. It was falling off, but as soon as I got the palette, I opened it, it wasn't broken, so I flipped it with my hand underneath, and sure enough, the color just popped out, so I glued it on and then put it back in the box. So it's been now over 12 hours, and I'm glad I checked it, because I did hear that there's a lot of issues with packaging, and it's true. So just be mindful of that. Alright guys, for my lips, I am wearing one of the MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks, and sorry, not sorry. You guys know I love me a good orange lipstick, and this is just soft enough to where it's not too in your face, but it does give me a little bit of color. For my mascara, I'm using the Laura Mercier Caviar Mascara. Let me tell you guys, I've had this for a while, and it is still going strong. Since it is old mascara, I do like it, but I know that it wasn't a mascara that I was completely in love with, which is why I've had it for so long. So this isn't a mascara that I would repurchase. However, I do remember getting a sample size of it and thinking it was amazing, which is why I bought a full size. But I always feel like the sample sizes in terms of mascara always are way better than the actual like full size. I don't know, maybe it's the formula is more concentrated because it's in a smaller package. I don't know. For my blush, I'm going to be using this Tower 28 Beach Please Golden Hour. Boom. I've been using this quite a bit lately, and it's just because it gives you such a, it's kind of like this lipstick where it gives you just the right amount of color. And oh wow, look at the way it looks with the highlight. Ooh, I love it. So pretty. See, it just gives you like the prettiest pop of color. But as you guys can see, that highlighter really stands out. If you're somebody that doesn't like glitter, which again, it's very fine glitter, you're not going to like it. I personally like it sometimes. It's probably not a highlighter that I would wear every day, but I do like it. Like, if you're going to a festival, or if you're going somewhere outdoors over the summer. I just thought that the last time I wore like a really sparkly highlighter was for a concert, an outdoor concert that my husband and I went to. And it was a poppin'. Like, it looks so pretty under the sun. Who knows when we'll get to do that again. I just depressed myself. Alright guys, so this is my look for today. I know there isn't anything special other than this lip and the fact that I did use new products. I'm actually going to take this bronzer, and with my finger I'm just going to run it down the sides of my nose, because again, I lose my nose. I have to get into the habit of doing this, because I've noticed it also in videos, in my meetings. I look like I have a no nose. Alright guys, so again, this is my final look for today. Again, very basic, easy, just a nice little pop of orange. I love orange and yellow. I think it looks really pretty together, and it just looks bright. So I have a really long day today. I will tell you guys, I love the foundation. Absolutely recommend it. I love this Tower 28 cream blush. I know you can use it on your lips, but no thank you. And the highlighter palette by Dior. I'm excited to play with this. I really like it. I'm intrigued to see what that's going to look like on me. I think I would use it like as a bronzer topper. And as for the MAC powder liquid lipsticks, I really like them. I'm keeping this one in my pocket today because I will be reapplying my lip. The rougher brushes, I highly recommend them. They finally made these little containers plastic. I didn't mind the carton. I still used it. I think that they were just trying to give you something that was going to be more durable and maybe easier to travel with, so you don't have to worry about it breaking or damaging or getting wet or anything. But I personally appreciated the fact that they were being environmentally conscientious and giving you something that was not going to sit in a landfill somewhere for a long time. So I won't be throwing this away. I will actually be using it. I think I'm going to put it in my kit to add my dirty brushes. So that is all I have for you guys today. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video. It does help my channel. And leave me a comment down below letting me know what you've picked up lately. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.